In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your eBay sales history as a seller. Whether you're just getting started or you've been selling for a while, keeping track of your sales is crucial for managing your business effectively. Let's walk through the steps together so you can navigate with confidence. First things first, you'll need to visit eBay's website. Open your favorite internet browser and type in ebay.com. Once there, sign in to your seller account, keeping in mind that only sellers can access the sales history feature. If you haven't bookmarked the sign-in page already, you can usually find the sign-in button at the top right corner of the home page. After entering your account credentials, you'll be directed to your main dashboard. Now that you're signed in, hover your mouse over the My eBay section located in the top right corner of the page. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that menu, select Selling. This will take you to your selling overview, where you can manage all aspects of your sales, including your sales history. Looking to the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu with several options. Here you want to click on either Orders or Sold. Both options will lead you to your sales history, but the level of detail might differ slightly depending on the path you choose. This page showcases all the items you've successfully sold on eBay. On this same page, you will find detailed information about each of these transactions. You can view the buyer's username, which can be useful for keeping track of repeat customers or following up with any after-sales services. Also, you'll see the final sale price for each item, which is essential for financial tracking. Pay close attention to the date of each sale, as this helps in organizing your sales chronologically and is particularly useful at month-end reviews. Moreover, payment and shipping statuses are displayed too, allowing you to verify which transactions have been completed and which are still pending. This can help you ensure that all shipments reach their destinations efficiently and any necessary follow-ups are conducted timely. Organizing your sales history is even easier thanks to the filter options available on the platform. You can filter your sold items by date, which allows you to focus on specific timeframes or periods during the year. You can also sort by the status, for instance, to quickly identify unpaid items or those awaiting shipment. Lastly, filtering by item can help when you want to see sales activity for a particular product or category you are selling. And there you have it. Seeing your eBay sales history is a straightforward process once you know where to look. Use these insights to make informed decisions, improve your sales tactics, and ultimately enhance your eBay selling experience. Thanks for watching.